Chef H here. Welcome to our channel. Recently, Chicago Tribune was able to meet Colonel Sanders' nephew. For those of you who doesn't know Colonel Sanders, he is the founder of KFC. During the interview, the 11 spices were accidentally revealed. Yes, you hear it right. It's revealed. Some have tried this recipe using the 11 spices, but they said it's not enough. They said there's a 12th spice that was not disclosed. Let's find out what it is in this video. Let's do the 11 and do another with the 12th spice. The best. Perfect. The best. Bear with me, guys, this is longer than our usual video, but you wouldn't like to miss any detail and explanation and precaution, so I suggest watch everything till the end. We have put all the ingredients and the exact measurements as what's written on the original recipe, so just carefully follow and pay attention and you wouldn't get lost. But you know, most chefs and cooks don't really measure. They use their instinct. They believe that ratio is more important than quantity. But we're hacking the recipe, so let's measure it exactly. Oh boy, this is really gonna be fun. The chicken should be brined in salt and water for at least 6 hours. Now what we're doing here is we're dividing the mixture. The other half we're putting an extra ingredient, the secret MSG. Remember, it's our secret. Contrary to a popular notion that MSG is bad, let me remind you that MSG is used by Chinese for generations, and I've been cooked for more than 40 years. And if you must know that they are among the ones who live longer. Well, of course, everything must be put in moderation. Anything that is excessive is bad. As the Bible said, honey is good, but too much honey is bad. KFC is also known for pressure frying their chicken. Using pressure cooker at home is not really recommended for frying. There is a risk involved. We are taking the risk just to hack the recipe. So if you must do this, do at your own risk with extreme precaution. Put oil just a little over half of the cooker, not too much. Initially, we heat the oil at 375 degrees as per the instructions we got, but we will know better later. Then put the chicken gently, one at a time, do not crowd. Remember, one at a time and gently. There's a danger. The change of temperature may cause an overflow. If ever, don't panic. Just turn down the heat and it will eventually subside. Then you can turn it higher again. After about 2 minutes, the chicken should start to brown. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. Warning! Before you open, turn off the heat or put it in low and gently release the pressure. Make sure the pressure is completely released before you open. As you can see, cooking it at 375 makes the chicken a bit dark for me. But when you compare it to the original KFC, it looks close. Their chicken are also not identical in color. Depends on the store branch. We are cooking the next batch our way at 350 only. Same precaution, be careful, one by one, piece by piece. Again, wait for the oil to settle a bit, and for about 2 minutes, let's check it out. This is the kind of brown that we're looking. If it turns like this, you need to cover it with lid. We set the time for 9 minutes, but my suggestion, if you do it 10 minutes to 13 minutes, it will be good. Another warning, release the pressure gently. And don't forget to turn down the heat or turn it off. There you go. This is more like it. The color is much lighter. Be honest with you guys, I smell KFC here already. Oh. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes and let's do the plating. The one on the left was cooked at 350 with the 12 spices with MSG. The one on the right was cooked at 375 without MSG, only the original 11 spices of Colonel Sanders. The texture and the smell are just like KFC. I'm satisfied with the texture. It is not bready or cakey. The coating is just right. Just like the old KFC that we enjoy as a kid. Oh, so nostalgic. Brings back good memories. I'm familiar with the original KFC, so I gently examine it. It's so satisfying just to take a look at it. But what about the taste? Amazing. Now, this is the one with MSG. We'll try it.
The best. Perfect.
If you add a little more salt, it will taste exactly like it. Can't believe. It's amazing. Both batches taste great, but I must say, our own recipe from our previous video is way much better than this. You should try it. For more recipe hacks, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless.